In which of the following all three are macronutrients? Macronutrients are elements required by plants in large quantities for proper growth and development. Now, in the options, we have different elements, and among them, we have four macro elements. They are nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Nitrogen do have the role in protein synthesis as well as chlorophyll production. Calcium, they all help in the cell wall structure formation as well as signaling. Now, phosphorus have the function of energy transfer as well as root development. Magnesium is a component in chlorophyll and also in enzyme activation. Whereas coming to rest of the options, we have boron, zinc, manganese, iron, copper, and molybdenum, which are micronutrients. And micronutrients are needed in trace amount but are still essential for plant health. So here the answer will be option D, that is nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. Here all three are macronutrients. Whereas coming to option C, that is having magnesium, where rest of the elements are micronutrients. So option A, B and C are incorrect answers.